Man, here it is, the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100. Stay with me. This is the fastest thing you can get on the streets. Here we go. Let's start this thing up. It's in sport mode. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. 1,099 cc's of pure awesome beast. Put it in gear here. Huge thank you to Plano Kawasaki that allows me to always ride this stuff. Huge thank you to them. I've got every Aprilia. Make sure I'm getting the right angle here. Every Aprilia 2026 model in my playlist, so make sure you subscribe. I ride all the new bikes first. We go back and do some used bikes, but I'm going to give you some specs on this bike. We'll get out here. This bike, factory, is 220 horsepower, and there's nothing, even the new Ducati V4S doesn't have that kind of horsepower. And I'll show you some different dashes, some video. This thing is freaking, oh my God, oh man. And this quick shifter, even all the track testers said that this is probably one of the best quick shifters on the market right now. Quick shifter down, 220 horse, 89 foot-pounds of torque. This thing redlines at I believe 13,000. Y'all leave a comment if you're enjoying this kind of content. Let's give this thing a proper little jog. Let me turn around. You have a 30-inch inseam, and this bike is tall. I was pretty much a little bit more than tippy-toeing. About half my foot down was down on both sides. Let's give this thing a good go. Oh my God. Man, the dash, this is the first bike that has, cool guy, this is the first bike that's had predictive wheelie control. You have to input your weight. The thing has got the super cords, and it'll pull your arms out of the sockets. Yep, getting a good angle there. The weight on this, you should be seeing that up there. This bike is just a gorgeous Italian bike. It has a 2-year factory warranty. And I will tell you, everybody says that these high horsepower bikes run hot, and they do. The Honda SP runs hot. All this high horsepower stuff runs extremely warm. Man, what a awesome... right out in front of me. You see that? If you ain't watching out, you will get chopped off. Around here and get away from her, bless her heart. She didn't see us. Or on their phones. She can barely see over the dash. Take it back out here. I love going through the twisties here. 13,500 RPM limit. And I'm not going to take it up there because it is a new bike. This bike is $26,000, and they've got 2 or 3 of them. Plano Kawasaki, Suzuki, Aprilia. They're one of the preferred dealers with Aprilia because they move so much product. Their information is always in the description of each video. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'm really kind of surprised. I don't really care for sport bikes that much due to the riding position. But this is on par with the RR, the SRR 1000 BMW. It's very comfortable. You are bent over for sure. Laid somewhere, you can make up some time with this thing. Let's go in here. Out on the freeway, the access road. That 5-inch TFT is next level. I'm going to give it a hard push out there. Aprilia wheelie control, traction controls turned up to 7. And you have engine management on this. You can also do corner by corner if you're going to take this to the track. Corner by corner programming for all your settings. You just have to have the Aprilia app. Let's go here. The clutch pull is extremely light. Here we go. I don't know why I'm pulling the clutch. All the track testers said this is, without a doubt, the most horsepower, which I already knew that. You can look at the numbers. But one of the best machines for the track or the street. We all want to be track warriors. It's got the Brembo high pure rotors, or calipers on it, I'm sorry, and Brembo rotors. Give it one more jog on the road here, down through these little twisties. I can't take it out to the country because it's not mine. But like I say, Aprilia does have a 2-year warranty. Oh yeah, I'm getting used to it now. It does have the electronic Öhlins 2.0 system, EC 2.0. Man, that clutch pull is super light. 200 series rear tire on it. I'm not going to try and touch the handlebars on the corners because these tires aren't scuffed in. Oh wow, she bad. She is bad, baby. Bad cat daddy from Cincinnati all the way. Man, what a machine, what a machine. And it's about 8,000 cheaper than the Ducati V4S. And the only thing, here we go, hold on. We know he's got insurance. You don't want to use it, I promise you. You got to really be paying attention. I would definitely not recommend this as a first bike. Let's take this thing back. Here we go. Woo! I wanted to pull that front wheel off the ground. Man. Woo! I better stop there. But man, if y'all like this kind of content, you do have cruise control. Woo! You could put a pipe on this. There is nothing that sounds like an Aprilia 1100 with a pipe on it. But wow, what an awesome bike, man. Turn that blinker off. Go to the bank there and get us some money. Truist, you need to sponsor me, Truist. I'd like some. I'll do a plug for you. That was a free one. Huge thank you to Plano Kawasaki Suzuki that always allows me to do this, and they've got all this stuff in stock, so give them a call. I tell you what, and man, that neutral is easy to find. I'm gonna stop in the shade, and it's 100 and probably 2 degrees out here today, and it is hot. Let me pull up just a little bit. There we go. But man, hey, thanks for riding with me. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you're subscribed. A lot more bikes coming. I do at least 1 video a week, sometimes 2. See you on the next one. God bless.